simple green. I'm gonna get in here, spray this area down a little bit. There's a little buildup of oil and dirt here that I couldn't get earlier because the freaking rack was on, in the way. So got a toothbrush, just work the corners and crevices, get all that grime and grit off. Especially right here, look at all that. So this is obviously optional. Alright, so today, since we're waiting for the steering rack boots to arrive, I've ordered some replacement ones from Amazon. Won't be here till Monday. It's Friday right now, so we got some other stuff to do. I am going to remove the exhaust manifold because we're replacing that, and plus I need to gain access to the motor mounts. Well, motor mount on this side, the other mount's on the other side, but the manifold's blocking one of the bolts in the back, so we're gonna have to pop these out. So, back at it again. 14. And I might need a swivel. Damn, son. I don't have an O2 sensor socket. This thing looks... Okay. There you go. So I got these baggies here. Should go 14 and 12 just in case. Okay. Let's do this. So we have a 14. 17. Why the hell did I say 14? Crap. Some room. Oh. Guy almost ran away. Here we go. Here we go. Hopefully I don't jack up my ratchet or my wrench. Craftsman for the win. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Slow, slow, slow. Talk about awkward angles. Saturday, we are taking off the water pump. Water pump. Loads. Oh, I should probably have a drain plug or drain, period. There you go. Look at this. This is a radiator hose tool. So, stick it on the clamp and you just pull it. And that's it. And release. Done. You don't need to grip it with a needle nose. But in this case, I had to pull it out from that side too. Eat those. Oh, that hurts. Okay. It's a little pick. Oh shit. Pick. Jeez. Get blade. Alright. I'm gonna cut this guy because it's a pain in the ass to undo up there. I don't know, it's really stuck. There we go. Just gonna put that somewhere over there. Just take this whole thing out and take it out outside. There we go. Good. Water pump looks pretty clean. Perfect. That's good. Now we have to clean this right here. So that's your thermostat housing and your thermostat.